Okay, folks, today I'm going to be demonstrating a little Ruby script utilizing Watir, and I'll go through Firefox browser and also Safari. Maybe next time I'll do Phantom.js and Chrome. Maybe I'll do Chrome today. Anyhow, first I want to point out the locators here that I'm using. So if you noticed, I'm just using very simple locators: class, text, tag name. I have some indexes here, so I'm using multiple locators in some cases where there's more than one, or I just need to get to an index. Verifying certain things here, some text verifications and whatnot. Utilizing the .text method for that. I'm sure there's a bunch of ways of doing this. This is a very basic script, and then we'll just quit the browser when it's done. Basically, I just wanted to let people know that I didn't have to use any XPath or anything like that. Just purely class, CSS, a couple of indexes here. And this website is that I'm going to be running this on is Shave Club, Dollar Shave Club. So it's all, the website is actually built in Ember.js. So it's you can't really utilize XPath or any of that stuff too much over there. Anyway, who would want to use XPath? Anyway, here we go. So I'll go ahead and run this on, let's run this on Firefox first and see how that goes. It maximizes the browser. Okay, so it passed, and I have some output here, just in this little print output down here. But anyhow, I'm not going to show any fancy reports or anything like that today. And I'm just going to put Chrome, actually, you know what? I said I was going to do Safari, so I'll do, I think I said I was going to do Safari. Anyway, I'll do Safari. On that note, just so people know, when you're doing Safari, this is kind of tricky, but when you're doing Safari in preferences, you'll have to add this extension. If you don't have this extension, you could find it. Took me a while to figure this out and where to go and get it. And then when you finally get it, you have to drag and drop it over here. So you just drag and drop it. So I think I have it in my, see, my downloads. Let's see here. Yeah, in my downloads. Yeah, I have it somewhere. Just downloaded it the other day. See? No, that's not it. Anyhow, it's in here somewhere. And then I just dragged and dropped it over there. If I get the website, if I remember it, I'll go ahead and post that. Anyhow, so let's get back to where we were. And we're going to run this in Safari. It's running back here. Okay. All right. pretty fast. I would say that. Wow, that was really fast. Okay, I think that was faster than the Firefox. 26.8 seconds to run that whole thing. Let's see Firefox, what it was. I'm just curious if there was Firefox. Okay. Let's see that. So this is 26.8 seconds. Let's see how long Firefox took. Okay, that was 43.2 seconds. So we're looking at almost double the time using Firefox. Let's see what Chrome does. I had a snag in Chrome before. I'm not sure if it's going to snag again, but we'll soon see. Okay, there's Chrome in the background. For some reason, Maximize Browser doesn't work in Chrome. That method's not working here. Okay, it looks like it's already getting stuck. Yeah. Not sure why, but I would have to investigate that. So anyhow, it did open it up. It did click around a little bit, but then after a while, it just snags on some locator. Well, maybe it's not snagging. Maybe it's just taking a long time. Let's see. Yeah. So anyhow, it's snagged. Okay, it timed out. It's just timing out. Not sure why. Anyhow, that's about it for this little demo of Ruby with Watir. And I would say it's a nice API to use for web testing and mobile testing as well. Maybe I'll do a demo on that later. But this is just a simple script, not attached to any framework. Of course, you can put it in a framework and run it if you'd like. Anyhow, I'm going to be shutting down this.